Welcome friends. In this video, we are going to discuss about string concatenation. What is the meaning of string concatenation? Concatenation stands here to join both strings, to join both strings or join both string variables. Okay, by help of the plus operator, by help of the plus sign symbol, plus sign symbol. So how it is going to be work? Let's see directly through the practical work. Okay, so start here. String. So here I will take a string concat. Then now first I will take in as a is a variable which holds the string data hello. Then there is a b is another variable which holds the world. Then c is the another variable is going to be add a plus b, and after joining two strings it assign to the c. Then print c, then print c, and when you going to be run the code, it will return you hello world. Understand how it is going to be work? Okay, and if you want to know how we could add the space between these two words, you can add the space in between two words by help of the a plus, there is a space between the two variable a and b, then you going to print, there is a b, print c. Fine, print c, there is a hello space world, hello space world. Fine, you understood how the concatenation is going to be work? So you remember this thing. If you want to concatenate string to the variable, string with a numerical variable by numerical data, it cannot be concat, it cannot be joined because the both types are different. My point is that if there is a variable a is holds the h and there is another variable b holds the 1, when you add these two variables a plus b, then print c, what is going to be written? Let's see. There is a type error. Fine. String not int. It is just concatenate with string to the string. Okay. String to the string. Okay. String to the string. So that's why if you hold this, if you enclose this particular numeric data in double quote, then it concatenate properly. Okay. That is show you h1. You remember this thing because it's very important. If you forget this thing, it is very difficult for you to recall. Fine. That's it. If you have any doubt, go through the comment box, type there. Please like, share, subscribe. Click on the bell icon. When I am going to upload any future videos, you get the notifications. Thank you.